What's going on Bittorrent Hall? Today video is going to be very special. Today I taught you and this video to Bittorrent has gone up in upcoming days are going down. So this is very good for you to you understand to you know Bittorrent is going up or down to be safe from any loss and they make you millionaire. Absolutely, they give you a good profit. And upcoming I show in this video the proof to Bittorrent and it's gone up in this video. So don't skip any second of this video. Keep watch, understand what I tell you in this video. And I have also one good news, especially for Bittorrent. Yes, I have one good news, and I announced in this video. So let's get started the price prediction of Bittorrent. But I request you, my brother, to I start this video before I request you, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Complete my 10,000 subscribe. If you subscribe our YouTube channel, then I inform you every good news and I guide you on all cryptocurrencies. You first need to message me on Instagram. Check the link and my channel. Okay. Thanks for subscription. Thanks for like this video. Okay, my goodness. This time Bittorrent is going very fastly and those days. Absolutely, this is the mid of this month April. On Bittorrent, you can see here the Bittorrent latest price as 0.08029 US dollar. Absolutely, the price is increased. You can see here the change occur 0.4%, 40% up. This is very small change, but it's slowly going up. So I think in upcoming days they going very fastly up. Yes, absolutely. I guaranteed with you. I give you a guaranteed to Bittorrent has gone very fast upcoming day. At the end of this month, I hope they cross it 0 point. I cannot give you a fake news for my video views. I just, if you watch my video, then good luck. Please, most welcome to watch video. But if you cannot interest in my video, then please skip it and go. Okay, this time I tell you reality of this price. Today going up or they going down. Oh, okay. Please, this is not a financial video. I just advise you to what you do. Okay, this time if you can see here, price is going up slowly up in the last 24 hours. But if you can see here, the price is just you can see here this time they take a very oh my goodness 0.04% they're going down. So sometime also they going down. So I cannot suggest you they can cross $1 US in upcoming days, because this is not possible today cross $1 US. Absolutely, if someone tell me to they cross $1 US, now message me on Instagram and prove me to how is it possible they can cross $1 US. If they can give me a proof, that I give you $100 US, absolutely free of cost. If you can give me a proof, this is guaranteed. This is my challenge for everyone. I cannot tell you they can cross $1 US, but I tell you today cross 0.118 something. They can cross it easily. I think this is the 10% 10% and a dollar they can cross it easily. So what you say? Please, also I need your opinion. Also I need your expectations. So it's good from or bad from Bittorrent. Okay, so please share it in a comment box. BTT has gone very fastly sometime. Also let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap. If you can check out this time the market cap as 0.48% going up, and fully diluted market cap also 0.48% going up. So my friend, if we see this time, you can see here the volume of last 24 hours as 1.62% going down. So this time the price has decreased. Absolutely, the price has decreased on those days. So how did you say that today or cross $1 US in the end of this month? This is not possible. This is not possible. Absolutely, if they cross 1 or 2 US year, absolutely, and this year, then I think Bittorrent as one of the fastest cryptocurrency. If they can cross $2 US, then this is good for all Bittorrent holder. Absolutely. But I cannot say this to also to they can cross $2 US in this year. Absolutely, because this is very hard task for Bittorrent, and they absolutely they're going up sometime. All cryptocurrencies down, and those Bittorrent gone slowly up. But Bittorrent is going very slowly, my friends. They cannot cross $2 US, and this is also in this year. Absolutely, this month is not impossible, but in the this year also impossible. I hope they can cross it. My expectation is good from Bittorrent, but if they go like this speed, absolutely this is not possible to they can cross it. Absolutely this is not possible. So my friends, wait for good time. Please invest. If you invest in Bittorrent, they give you a very small profit, but give you absolutely, this is sure to they give you a profit. So please invest and research personally, absolutely important for you. Research personally and invest. Okay, I cannot advise you to you invest just on Bittorrent, and this is no guarantee that they gone down in upcoming days or gone up. But my expectation is good. I hope they're going up. So what's your opinion? What's your expectation? Are good or bad from Bittorrent? Please tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.